In this video, we will show you how to fix the Facebook app that keeps crashing on a Samsung Galaxy A33. In most cases, app crashes aren't really that serious and you might be able to fix them by doing one or a couple of procedures. In this case, the first thing you need to do is to force stop the app and then reopen it. Since app crashes are often due to a minor glitch, restarting the app in question can fix it. To do that, tap the recent key to view the apps you recently used. Find Facebook and swipe up on its preview to close it. You can also tap Close All to force stop all the apps in one tap. After doing that, launch the app again to see if the problem is fixed. If Facebook continues to crash, then what you need to do next is to reboot your phone. It can be due to a minor firmware problem and rebooting the device will often fix it. So swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers to pull the quick settings panel. Tap the power icon to view the options. Tap Restart and confirm your action. Now wait until your phone finishes the reboot, and after that, launch Facebook again to see if the problem is fixed. If this doesn't fix the problem either, then your last resort will be to reset the app itself. An app reset simply means to clear its cache and data. This will bring the app back to its default configuration. To do that, pull up the app drawer and go to the screen where you can find Facebook. Tap and hold on its icon until the options menu shows. Tap App Info and you will be brought to another screen. Scroll down a bit and tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache first, and then tap Clear Data. The prompt will appear, so tap OK to confirm. After that, launch Facebook and it should work properly after that. We hope that this guide can be helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.